Introducing the magnetic roller tip kit, the solution to remove dents without going down the costly and time-consuming process of traditional paintless dent removal. How does it work? Well, it's a neodymium sphere mounted in a cup which is free to rotate in all axes. This locks onto the underside of the panel irrespective of the position. One of its poles is always directly under the panel. This means that when a surface trace is attached, we can see exactly where the tooltip is at all times, and so we know where to push to remove the dent. Right, here is now a dent highlighted inside the circle, and we're going to attach a line board to give us a clearer picture of where the dent is. And you can see the lines are out of parallel. We need to bring these lines back into parallel to indicate the dent has been removed. So we need to attach the tip to a suitable sized bar, and so we then need to place an S-hook on the underside of the panel, which will attach to an O-ring which we slide onto the bar. This will give us the necessary leverage to push the dent out. Okay, we're going to attach an S-hook to the underside of the panel in an existing hole, and then we're going to hang an O-ring on the S-hook, and we're going to put the bar through the O-ring, and that will provide us leverage. Okay, so let's just see the hook up under the panel. We've got the S-hook, the O-ring, and that bar is hanging under the panel, and we will create leverage here. So, bar is in place. We place the surface trace, and we can see now exactly where the tool tip is, and we're going to push in decreasing concentric circles, moving gradually around the dent to bring the lines back into parallel. You can see the lines are gradually coming closer together. So that's where our dent was, and we can see that it's gone.